Hi everyone, welcome back to Dance Curious. Today we're going to be talking about ballroom shoes. That's going to be your tango, your waltz, your foxtrot, your Viennese waltz, even your Peabody, if you do that, or your quick step. Basically, it's going to be any of those dances that move a lot around the floor. They're taking big strides where you're really traveling. Okay, starting with the women's shoe. What I want you to notice, first of all, is that it basically looks like a pump. There are different styles. You're going to have different options. This one in particular is kind of a character shoe, right? It has this strap that goes across the top. I personally favor this because I have narrow heels and they just pop right on out if I don't have a strap securing it. But it's actually maybe even more common to just see versions like this without a strap at all. This particular heel is, I believe, 2.5 inches. It's been a while since I bought this, so I don't quite recall. But that's about as high as you're going to go for your ballroom shoes. Like in the Latin, we talked about it last time, 2.5 is very common, 3 is very common. You can actually go up to 3.5. For your ballroom shoes, you don't really need or want to go that high. So this is about 2.5 is about the max, but 2 is also very common. Let's see what else. This particular shoe is satin. You can also get it in different finishes. It's a little bit, we have a little bit of bendability here, just where the foot creases, but there's no flexibility really to speak of beyond that. It's very firm here, like you cannot bend this at all. And that's what you want, because when you're taking big heel strides, hope you like that illustration. When you're taking big heel strides, you need to know that your heel is going to support you. I think that's about it in terms of followers' ballroom shoes. So let's take a look at the leaders. Now, for the leaders, you're going to see right away that there's not as big of a difference stylistically between this one and the Latin shoes from last video. But we do have considerably less heel, right? I'm going to guess that this is a 1-inch heel. It could be 1.5. I'm not very good at estimating, as you can tell. But it's not nearly as high because we talked about this last time, right? We don't want in this case to have hip action, right? Our smooth dances, we're going to hips are maybe going to swing from side to side, but they are not going to wiggle. Okay, to wiggle like a snake, as a friend of mine once said. The base is of course suede, so you can move smoothly. And apart from that, it's also, right, this one's really firm. You can have the bendability here, but not anywhere else. Same reason the followers, right? Leaders don't need quite as much help on that point because they're not stepping onto a little heel. But there's just no need for a higher heel for a men's ballroom shoe. I think that's it for today about ballroom shoes. If you had any other questions or anything I didn't leave answered, please feel free to comment below. I'll take a peek. Thank you again so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. It helps a lot. If you'd like the less abridged version of this, check out my website below. I've linked to the blog post of this, which is just goes into a little bit more depth. I have social media channels. Check them out if you like that kind of thing. And otherwise, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.